If you need to add an event to a specific Google Calendar and not just your default calendar, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it step by step. This is super useful if you manage multiple calendars for work, school, family, or personal planning because it helps you keep everything organized in the right place from the start. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Google Calendar in your browser or app and make sure you're signed into the correct Google account. Once the calendar loads, look for the Create button. Click Create, then choose Event from the menu. This opens the event creation window where you can start entering your event details. Add the event title, choose the date and time, and include any other important information you want to remember. You can also add a description, location, guests, or reminders if needed. Now here's the important part. Before you save the event, look for the calendar name dropdown. This is where you choose exactly which calendar the event should go on. Click the dropdown and select the specific calendar you want to use. If you have multiple calendars listed, take a moment to make sure you pick the right one, because this determines where the event will appear and who can see it. Once you've selected the correct calendar, double-check your event details one last time. Make sure the title is correct, the time is right, and the calendar selection is exactly where you want it. Then click Save. After you save it, the event will appear on the selected Google Calendar instead of your default one. That means it will stay organized in the right calendar and be easy to find later. And that's it. You've now learned how to add an event to a specific Google Calendar. It only takes a few clicks once you know where to look. If this tutorial helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick and easy Google Calendar tips.